Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can scrape Amazon using Selenium and Python. Let's get started. So first you need to download the Chrome driver for Selenium. I'll have the link in the description. So you go to the website and you click here to download the binaries and you choose your version of Chrome. Usually it has to match the version of Chrome you have. So right now I have the 87. And then you choose your operating system. I have already done that, so I will continue. Anyway, so now that you have it, you'll have to also install Selenium WebDriver. So now we're gonna import from Selenium, import WebDriver. And we also need from LXML, import HTML. That's what's gonna allow us to transform the HTML that Selenium extracted into an element tree where we can use XPath. If you want to learn more about XPath, I have a whole video on that. Anyway, let's create a driver. So driver equals webdriver.chrome, and I have the binary in TMP. There we go. Let's see if this worked. Well, let's close the driver right after. Let's test this. Okay, it did work, but I closed it too fast, so let's not close it this time. Okay, it did work. Great. Now let's go to Amazon and copy the URL. Well, you know what? Let's already let's search for keyboards today. Keyboard. There you go. Let's copy this link. I don't think we need the whole string. I think just this should be enough. Yeah, it is. Okay, let's copy just this. And we're gonna say driver.get this, and it should work. Let's try this. It did work. So now what we want is the products. So what you're going to do is click inspect, and we're gonna take the title, the number of reviews, and the price. Okay, for this let's see where the individual products are. Okay, these are all the products, so this should be okay. These are all the individual products. All right, so how can we get these? What's unique about them? Okay, the data UID is different for every product, but this one seems to be the same for all of them. So let's get this search result. We just have to change the 0 to the 1 or to 2. Okay, so data cell widget. That's it. All right, let's go back. We're gonna also import from time import sleep, so that Selenium has enough time to charge the whole page, the JavaScript. So we're gonna say sleep 1, just 1 second should be enough. And then we're gonna extract every product. So now that we have the driver has already requested Amazon, we have the HTML. So now we're gonna create the element tree. And that's how we do it. Tree equals HTML from string, and we take the HTML from the driver. There we go. And now for each product tree in tree.xpath, and now we're gonna do a little XPath of what we copied here. So basically it was a div with this attribute. Okay, so you're gonna say /div, and it contains a data cell widget attribute, and that should work. No, there we go. We remove the 0 so that all of them can be scraped. Now this should give us all the products. There you go. And now let's scrape the title. So let's see how the title looks like. It looks like a span with this class. Let's try this out in real time with something called XPath helper. It's a Chrome extension where you can use XPath in real time. It's really useful. And let's try this. So it's a span with a class this. There we go. This works. Okay, let's also get the text. Okay, let's copy this. Title equals product tree. We're not going to use tree because tree is the whole HTML, while product tree is only basically one product here, only the HTML of the product. So I'm going to say product tree.xpath dot, because we want to continue where we left off. So basically in the product. And it was a, oh, I already copied it. So there we go. This should work. Then let's get also the, let's get this number of reviews, which is a span with this class. Let's see if it works. Class this. All right. Okay, it seems to be working. Yep. Okay, that's the right one. Let's get the text of it. And now, all right, so reviews equals product tree. What did I type? Product tree.xpath dot this. All right, and now the price. Price is product tree.xpath, and the price. All right, so the price should be this one, 47.9. Okay, we can have it here. So span class a off screen. Let's see if this works. All right, span class. Okay, this does work. Great. Let's get the text of this. And let's add the price here. Great. Let's see if this works. So let's print the title, the reviews, and the price for each of them. Yep. And then let's close the driver. All right, let's launch this. Okay. And as you can see, we have the title, we have the reviews, and we have the price. So that did work. Now, what we can do is try to get all pages. So let's see how many pages this has. Okay, this has 20 pages. So we can basically, let's see how the URL looks like on the second page. Okay, this we can remove, I think. If we do 3 here, it's the third page, right? Yep, and if we say 20, it's the 20th page. Yep, and we can't go further, I think, right? Yep. Okay, so if we do page 0, it's the first page. All right, okay, we can do this. Let's do this. So now what we can say is, well, we can make this into a loop. So for page number in range 0 to 21, so 0 to 20. Let's do this, and what we can we do? Yep. Okay, let's also add let's add \n, so we know that we stopped that on the next page. Okay, this, and now we're going to modify just this here. So that will make it page equals like this, format page number. All right, oh, let's write page right, page equals. this should work, yeah. Product tree, yep. Okay, yeah, that should work. Alright, let's try this out. Let's actually do just 5 for now to see if it works. So we don't spam Amazon while we're doing it. Okay. Yeah. Great. Okay. Let's see. Wow. That's a lot of data. I think I put it in the wrong spot. Yeah, I put it in the wrong spot. Yeah. Anyway. It should be here. There we go. Yeah, let's try this again because we didn't see anything. And by the way, I want to see if the page 0 and page 1, if it's the same or not. Because it felt like it was the same. Yeah, I think it's the same. Okay. Meaning we can start actually from 1 and then to 22. Okay, let's do this. Alright, first page, second page, third page, fourth page, and that's it. Alright, so as you can see, the second page starts with this wireless keyboard. Let's see if it's the case. Yep, there you go. Now you see that you can easily scrape Amazon, and this is just basic Selenium and XPath. Like with what I just showed you, you can do a lot of things. You can do a price tracker. I might do a video on that soon, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please tell me in the comments so I can make another video like this. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you want more videos like this. See you. Bye.